Right, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Now this is part number 2 of the affiliate marketing success video series of the 12 steps. This is number 2, and if you haven't seen the first one, there's gonna be a link in the description. You guys can go click on that at the end of this video. Now part number 2, very important, and you guys cannot skip any of these 2 steps because it will help you to actually have a better overview of what is coming in the future. Okay, and a lot of people will tell you online, and it's one of the things that I have a problem with, is that you cannot monetize your passion no matter what that is. There's no money on some, there's more money in others, and when you look around and the way the world is right now, you can actually monetize your passion. You just have to make the assessment and look around to find the right progress. Now we're gonna go and dive into that into the next videos. Now if you're interested on actually reading the guide instead of waiting for all 12 videos and then you can put both of them together, I want you to click that first link in the description and click on the guide. It's a free 12-step guide. These videos are coming from that, so I can go a little bit more into detail of what you guys need to do so you guys can actually succeed a lot faster than what you are believed to be told online. And I just know that for a fact people 99.9% of the time give up because they decide to go into categories and subcategories that really not passionate about, and then when they need to learn it, it's really hard for them. And you tell me, you know, when we talk about something like sports, for example, if you want to use that as a category, well, sports very broad, right? And that's what step number 2 is. We need to dig a little bit deeper, especially when you're a beginner. People don't know who you are. If you want to close that gap a lot faster, and instead of trying to create content for all sports, you create content for one sport, and which one's the one you're more passionate about, right? Not a lot of people like soccer, not a lot of people like football or baseball. So which one you're passionate about, there's gonna be an audience for that. So in this step, that's what you need to find. Step on this journey is what you are the most passionate about. Now I want you to leave me in the comment section and let me know which subject you love and what next subcategory of that subject you are the most passionate about, so then we can figure it out how you guys can make money. It comes in the next video. So if you want to see these 12 steps without having to get the guide, well, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button so you guys get the videos when they come for the next steps. We're only in step number 2, so just 10 more to go. And this is a great foundation, especially for beginners, because we all jump into this business, and it's okay to start with being a mess, not knowing really what to do. But if these 12 steps can actually help you to get there faster, I'd be more than happy to help a lot of you. Alright, how are we gonna get to that next subcategory? You are going to write 15 subcategories of that main category or niche, let's call it a niche, that you are passionate about. I want you to start from the least one that you like to the one that you're most likely to love. And once you finish that list of 15, you gotta move up, and once you get to the top 3, I want you to start saying, this one I can talk for days, but eventually I'm gonna get bored. This one I can talk for days, and I can actually go, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 months without getting bored about doing research and look for this. And this one is the one that I can and I will talk forever and ever and ever, and I will never get tired of. Why this is important? Because like I said, in the next steps you are going to put the pieces together and realize that once you take these 2 steps and put them together and you really, really love what you do, then you will never get tired. You will never get bored. You will never give up. Yes, to a certain point, some people give up because their money is not coming in. But if you are passionate about, what you're talking about, and you want to tell people, you're gonna find a way to monetize that a lot faster than what you actually think if you put in the work. Because a lot of people just want to jump into this business, especially affiliate marketing, which is a business model where you're promoting somebody else's products, and don't want to do anything. That doesn't work that way. Another thing that I have a problem with is when they tell you you don't need any skills. If you don't know how to write an email sequence, to create a landing page and create content, you guys don't have those skills. It's very, very difficult for you guys to make any money online. And I have to learn that the hard way, thinking that just because I copy somebody else's landing page, people are gonna buy it. And I read it all the time in comments in other groups where people are copying somebody else's stuff and they're not making any sales, even though they're copying somebody else's that actually are successful. So do not let anybody tell you that you don't need any skills to make money online. And if you're passionate about what you're talking about, what you're doing, that's a skill already in itself that you guys need to have to succeed online. So when you do that list and you actually have that, you have already make it to step number 2. You want to know what step number 3 is? Just stay tuned for the next videos coming up. If you want to know which one that is, hit the button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button so you guys get notified when that video is coming. Okay. The second thing is, like I said, if you want the free guide, click that first link on the description so you guys can actually download it. It's absolutely free, guys. Oh, you got nothing else to do but hit that button, put your email. You will receive that in your email as soon as you sign in. Okay. The next thing that I want to tell you is that I'm actually working on a challenge with one of my mentors, and when I'm done with it, I am gonna create a small package. So I am going to advertise that in my videos, and you guys can go take it for will take you to the next level. That's what I'm joining with my mentor right now, and I start learning all that stuff. Okay, every time I learn something new, it's coming to you. That actually ties together very well with the 12 steps that I actually put together to make affiliate marketing commissions and have a strong foundation. So with that being said, guys, make sure that you actually do the steps, do the work, because if you don't do these first 2 steps, you are gonna find it that is very, very hard to try to talk about something you're not passionate about. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.